starting a new vlog. Let's make some steak for dinner. You guys just saw me whip up a batch of my very first chimichurri sauce. Smells delicious. I'm gonna pour this over our steak, then whip up some carrot and potato fries in our air fryer, and that's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Carrot and potato fries, homemade, going into the air fryer. I need 2 hands to shut this. And that, my friends, is a brand new dinner recipe. We tried the steak and the chimichurri sauce together. Whoa, baby. Delicious homemade vegan Caesar salad and some plantain croutons with the fries that are carrot fries and potatoes, just homemade cut up with paprika, salt and pepper, and avocado oil. Delicious. Always gotta remind Ryan one of the reasons why he wiped me up. You feel me? Just picked the kids up from daycare. I also got myself a mint cacao shake. It has like protein powder and stuff in it. It's so freaking good. It has cacao nibs on the top, and I'm pretty sure it's Whole30 compliant, because I don't know if I told you guys, we started Whole30 April 1st. We're on day 9, which is crazy. I like put so much blush on my face. I'm like really blushing today. This is so good. They didn't have any ember. It's my favorite. It's from Sun Life Organic. Clearly they want to have some. They cannot. But I'm going to take these kiddos home, let them go to the bathroom, and play around with them. And play with them for some time. So we'll see you guys later. Well, I'm just trying to get a little workout in, and then Ember decided to take a big old poo on the carpet and then pushed his toys over it. So now I'm going to have to take all of his toys, clean them. I think you can put them in the wash. I don't know. We'll see. And vacuum. So you guys can watch me vacuum for the ones who love to see some cleaning motivation. Hopefully you don't have shit on your carpet. You kidding me? He just peed literally as I finished vacuuming. You are something else. I mean, you're real cute, but you're something else. Can we apologize for the situation? No, we're gonna walk away. You guys, the Thieves Cleaner works wonders. I'm telling you, it is a magic solution. It gets up everything. I use it for surface cleaning. I now use it to clean up dog pee, and it literally takes the stain right up. Even Ryan was like, what the heck is this that you're using? And I told him, it's essential oil, Speedy. You know, it just solves all problems. Boom, like no stain. I live for it. Young Living, Thieves Cleaner, go buy it. He just is acting purely innocent. Like he did not just poo and pee all within 10 minutes after I cleaned it up too. Look at that. One half green and half blue eye. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Puppy cam. That's gonna be on my vlogs. It's just gonna be my puppy cam. Cutie. Let's go see my other puppy. Storm has had enough. She is tapped out. They really do love each other, and it's so sweet. They've been playing so much with each other, but he has been trying so hard to keep playing, and she's like, I need a little nighty noodles, okay? Give me a break. Got it. so good. Oh yeah. Okay, so I was telling you guys that we started Whole30 recently because we just ate our way through Texas, and I just really haven't taken like getting seriously in shape or just honing in on my health for a long time, and so I just felt like April was the time to do so. So yeah, we've been really, really good. Tonight's dinner is Sloppy Joe stuffed sweet potatoes, and I'm really excited. I've never had it before, so I'll show you the final product in a little bit. Anytime I hear the word Sloppy Joe, I always think of the movie Two of a Kind with Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen when they're at the camp and they're about to eat that for lunch, and then the food fight breaks out. So this is our meal. We're gonna put some fresh herbs on it, maybe some of that chimichurri sauce I made the other night, and we are gonna enjoy this and probably watch the Goldbergs. That is like our favorite show to watch together. Oh no! Oh my god! This is really my worst nightmare. Come on.
We'll go to the shower.
It is smeared on the carpet.
Oh my god.
Ember. Today's breakfast is the hash browns from Trader Joe's with vegan pesto from Trader Joe's, avocado, egg, and chili onion crunch from Trader Joe's, and then some cuties on the side. I actually never put pesto on this. Try it. This has been my go-to breakfast for Whole30, or like a big ol' smoothie in the morning. Hello you guys. I decided to get ready today because I was just feeling like a slob kebab. I'm watching this new puppy this weekend, and I'm like, you know what? I need to just feel good about myself. Usually I just don't like to put on makeup on the weekends. I really like to use it as a time. Well, I don't even wear makeup during the week, so I don't know what this logic really means, but I try to use the weekends to just like let my skin breathe. I find that I'm more productive when I wear a smidgen, a bit of makeup during my work week, so I have been, but I don't know, there's something about just like nothing on the weekends unless I'm going out to an event and I'm ready to party. Just a little bronzy glow. I actually really like my makeup. I think I did a good job today. Because I used a deeper shade of foundation because I'm so Casper, the Friendly Ghost right now. And then when I put on like a deeper shade of foundation with lighter concealer, it just makes so much more of a difference. Usually I just go like light on light and there's just no contrast. So I think today looks pretty good. Gotta do this hair. I have this cute little cowgirl t-shirt on with some jeans. I'm not a cowgirl. For those of you who know me and grew up with me, you know that I grew up in 4-H and I was a part of the Dairy Goat Club. So I'm sorry, there just wasn't a shirt that said Goat Girl. But we know I'm a goat girl. For those of you who don't know what 4-H is, I highly recommend looking into it and seeing if you have it in your area, because I think it was one of the greatest things that happened to me growing up. It just taught me a lot of responsibility, a lot of life lessons. I created a lot of beautiful relationships through it, communication skills, which I'm clearly still working on because I stood over my words all the time. What's going on? What's going on? Everybody. Honestly, a little makeup, a little zhuzh to yourself just makes your spirit soar. So I'm going to take this hair down. Oh, having a good hair day too. Pony, hair down. Really nice when the hair gods decide to cooperate with you. You don't have to do too much to it besides a little zhuzhing. And you're ready to go. So let's go. All right, you guys, it has been a few hours later. I'm in different clothes because why do I look so orange? I just needed to get in comfy clothes. I went and I took some cute pictures with that shirt on and my adorable pony attachment. Oh, the camera's moving this way. Wow. I really need a car tripod holder because this situation isn't quite working. Anyway, so I had the cute pony in, and as you see here, I got some pics here, little vids around me so you can see what I'm talking about. I cannot wait to show you my pony attachment tutorial because I'm so obsessed with it. I get so many compliments on it, and they actually gave me a code. Me! Little old me! So I got to pick two of the hairstyles that look the cutest to me, and they're very Ariana Grande inspired because I'm obsessed with that long pony, and yes, I have a lot of thick hair, but it just doesn't get that kind of like stylized look that you see in Instagram and in magazines. It's because they have ponytail attachments, and I never realized that until now. Hopefully gonna be able to film that this week and have it up for you guys because I am so obsessed. I'm gonna go get a cha-cha matcha because I just feel like I need a treat, like something that's gonna pick me up on this whole 30. Coconut milk is okay, so I'm going to get some matcha with coconut milk, and hopefully it'll curb the sweet tooth that I'm currently having. Well, I had to come to Trader Joe's because Cha-Cha Matcha was closed, so I am going to pick up some milk and make my own matcha.
Good boy. Is that you?
You a good boy? Okay, underwear boy. I'm filming. So, just got back from Trader Joe's. I picked up a few extra items that we needed, and I thought I would do a quick Trader Joe's haul since we love those. Who doesn't love a Trader Joe's haul? I also love looking in other people's carts because I saw a product in there that I was like, I didn't know they had this. So next time when I do a bigger haul, I'm going to pick up the Dr. Praeger's veggie patties, 2 dried strawberries because Ryan goes through those like candy, some tuna, plantain chips, dried mango. Ryan really wants some fruit pop, so I picked him up these fruit freeze bars. This has raspberry, lemon, and strawberry. A little bit of cane sugar in there, but he's been so good, I'm not going to worry about that with him. I mean, the whole point is to eliminate stuff. I got organic creamy cashew yogurt, and this is so good. I picked this up last time. This coconut yogurt, actually phenomenal. And then the last 2 items I got was the coconut milk for my matcha, even though this is like kind of crappy coconut milk, and then some cumin because we were out. But yeah, that is it, and I'm gonna make myself some matcha and some tacos and then wrap up this vlog. My view while I'm cooking. So stinking cute. My boys. So crazy. Oh my goodness. Should we close out the vlog? Say good night. We're gonna watch Seaspiracy on Netflix. Ryan is finishing up this Dexter episode. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Have a great week. Hope you guys are having as much fun as they are. Bye.